Hello everyone, welcome to our Valencia vlog. We spent one day exploring this beautiful city, starting from Barcelona and making the most of
So
every
tasty.
moment. We started the day early at 7 a.m. from Barcelona Sant train station. The high-speed train carried us smoothly through the Spanish countryside. At 10:35 a.m., we arrived at Valencia North Station and stepped right into the city's charm. Welcome to Valencia! Hey! Our first stop was the St. Francis neighborhood, where we admired the city hall and the elegant central post office. Alright guys, we are in Valencia, a sunny gem on the Mediterranean coast, and it's a mix of old and new. Now we are in the old part of the city. There is so many things to do here. You can stroll through the historical old part, and also you can grab some paella. Is a fun fact about paella. Paella, it was born here, and is an authentic dish. And yeah, and also you can visit the central market and see the gardens, and also you can visit the City of Arts and Sciences. Is an iconic modern complex. Yeah, there are so many things to do here, and yeah, the vibe is relaxed and lively and full of culture. Is a Spanish style, and I would highly recommend to come and see this beautiful city. Yeah, stay tuned. Something awesome, yeah, is coming. Thank you so much. We then walked over to the Mercat Central, filled with colorful stalls of fruits, seafood, spices, and local specialties. Just across the street, we visited La Lonja de la Seda, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that showcased Valencia's silk trading past. Next, we paused at the Plaça Homenatge and Margarida Borràs, a small square honoring tolerance and diversity. We strolled through the lively streets around the Mercat Central, enjoying the atmosphere and historic facade. We reached Plaça de la Mare de Déu, the heart of Valencia, where fountains and cafes created a vibrant scene. From the square, we admired the Valencia Cathedral and its iconic Migoledi Tower. By early afternoon, we sat down at Puerta del Mar Restaurant and enjoyed the original Valencian paella, a delicious meal for €21 per person. Oh my goodness. This is an authentic paella. Look at these guys. The original is not seafood, is a chicken, rabbit, and snails. Look at this. This is snails. Okay, let's try it and see how it would be. Thank you. Alright, how's it?
It's so tasty. I tried the rabbit and the chicken. Both are very tender and so spicy. It has good taste and also it's better than what I thought.
Okay.
Yeah.
And did you try rabbit? And how was it?
The rabbit one, it was good. It's like chicken, but it's more tender. Yeah.
That was your first time?
Yeah, it was my first.
And how about the snake?
I haven't tried them yet.
Yeah, you know. Alright, that's good. Thank you. After lunch, we headed to the futuristic Palau de les Arts Reina Sofia, a stunning landmark in the City of Arts and Sciences. We finished the afternoon at Centro Comercial El Saler, browsing shops and taking a short break before leaving.
At 6:30 p.m., we boarded the train back to Barcelona, ending the day full of unforgettable memories of Valencia. Thanks for watching our Valencia adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel stories and adventures with us.